Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in West Central Florida and we're gonna be looking at a beautiful custom home situated on a lot that is exactly 1 acre. Let's take a look, my friends. So here we are in front of the property, my friends, but before we step inside, I just want to make sure you have a lot of the details about the home, the location, where we are, and what's nearby. So first and foremost, let's start with the specs. The specs on this home is going to be 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,009 square feet, situated on this beautiful 1 acre of land. Now this home is located in the Beverly Hills area here in North Beverly Hills. Beverly Hills is in West Central Florida. Just to give you a perspective, we're about 30 minutes west of Ocala. We're 30 minutes east of the closest beach, which is gonna be the Gulf Coast. And we're very close to Crystal River as well, which is a beautiful river that actually runs out into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, to give you a bigger perspective, we're an hour and a half west of Orlando, Florida. So if we head east, we're gonna find Orlando, Florida, where you're gonna have the Orlando International Airport, the Orlando Magic, Orlando City Soccer, a very bustling downtown, and a lot of cool stuff to go walk around Lake Eola, go to all the boutique bars and restaurants. It's a ton of fun. Then south of here, we're about an hour and a half from Tampa, Florida, where you're gonna have the Tampa Bay Rays, the International Airport, and a whole other bunch of things that you can do in Tampa, just as you can find in Orlando. Now, more specifically, close to this area, we're gonna have all the shopping and restaurants that you're gonna need. Chipotle, Lowe's, Home Depot, Publix is one of the most important things, I think, for us Floridians to have nearby, and much, much more. So all the shopping, recreation, commercial centers are 10 to 30 minutes away from here. So in this part of Florida, you're gonna have that really relaxing style of life, but also very close to the amenities that Florida has to offer. Now, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this video, I wanna make sure you have all the details on this property. So I'll be talking about the price, the taxes, the HOA, and what my recommended offer would be on this specific home, and what the down payments look like on a home like this as well. So with that, my friends, let's go ahead, get started, and jump right into it. Come on. Now, the very first thing that I notice about this house is just the beautiful lot that we have here. Here in Beverly Hills, you're gonna have rolling hills, similar to what you find in Ocala as well. So we're actually kind of in the middle of at the top of a hill. We have a neighbor right next to us. Right to the other side of us is just gonna be a bunch of woods, but this is an acre lot and the whole entire lot isn't cleared. So a lot of it is still nature. So if you wanted to clear some more land, you know, hire someone to knock down some trees, you have the opportunity to do so and utilize the land. But me personally, I like having the nature around and being surrounded by the beautiful trees around us. Now we're gonna take a look at the backyard closer to the end of the tour, but just on the front of the yard, I love that we're gonna have the stacked stone in the front. You're gonna have the nice pillars, beautiful windows, and let's just get inside. Let's take a look. Amazing. So the first thing is these beautiful double doors that you're gonna have stepping into this home. Right above the doors, you're gonna have this amazing light fixture, a nice little area separating the dining space and the front door entrance. Now, the first thing you notice when you step in this house is just how dynamic it is and how large it feels in this property. You're gonna have the nice vaulted ceiling, ceiling fans and light fixtures in the kitchen and the dining area. But what I really love is just this open floor plan. This is meant to just have a family living in it and spending all your time together. Right over here by the front entrance, you're gonna have your dining area. You can fit a very large table that can fit 8 to 10 people. And you're gonna have that beautiful window overlooking the front of the yard and your beautiful piece of land. So right over here, we're gonna find the kitchen. This is gonna be a very large squared island in the kitchen, nice double sink. Right below here, we're gonna have our dishwasher, our stove, our microwave, and right over there, we're gonna have our refrigerator. These are all General Electric appliances as well. You're gonna have a lot of cabinet space with the soft close as well. And yeah, this kitchen really brings you that great energy. You're gonna have a big open floor plan to look out to, watch your children, watch the game, and have a good time there. Right over here to the left, we're gonna have the breakfast nook space. And right off the bat, this view is gonna be the most incredible thing. I love that they didn't even separate it or put quadrants. They just left a huge window, so if you're somebody who has children and your children love to play and they're in the backyard, you can make sure you're keeping a good eye on them and just really watching them enjoy themselves with this beautiful piece of land. Now we're gonna actually step right in here on this side of the home, and we're gonna have a full bathroom that is gonna be shared by these 2 bedrooms we're gonna look at next. So stepping into here, you're gonna be switching from laminate flooring into the tile flooring. You're gonna have the nice granite countertops, the toilet, and the bathtub with the skylight and a door that goes out to the back patio. Now we're gonna take a look at that later. First, I wanna show you these 2 rooms. Both of these rooms are gonna be slightly larger, and these are gonna be about 13 by 12 bedrooms. So you're gonna have a good amount of space, a nice window overlooking the side of the home, and you're gonna have these nice double door closets, gonna give you plenty of space to fit everything you need. Now right across the hall, we're gonna have the brother and sister combo rooms right next to each other. Same size, same window, same natural light. Only difference, you're gonna have the walk-in closet in this room. So once you move in, you let the kids see who gets which room. Now we're gonna go across the entire property and we're gonna step right into the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom, we're gonna have the cozy carpet, just like we had in the other 2 bedrooms. You're gonna have the nice sliding glass door that takes you out to the back patio. A lot of natural light coming in the room. You're gonna have a smaller, kind of more rectangular windows, 2 of them to be exact. And then right over here, we're gonna have 2 closet spaces. One is a walk-in, and the second one is gonna be, you're gonna have the sliding open closet. Right over here, you have a good space for your walk-in closet. And then we're gonna step in right over here, and you're gonna have that nice tile, double vanity with the nice granite. What I love is that you're not just gonna get the walk-in shower, you're also gonna get the tub with the house. You're gonna have this nice rectangular tub, nice light coming in from the window. Walk-in shower is beautiful. You know, you have plenty of space in there. And here's gonna be your toilet. Now, let's go take a look at the garage, and then we're gonna step outside from there. Let's go. So here we are. Now we're gonna step right into the laundry room. This home is not gonna be coming with appliances, but this is where your washer is gonna go. This is where your dryer is gonna go. You have a little rack right above just to give you some space. Now we're gonna take a look straight at the 2-car garage. You're gonna have the concrete flooring. I love that they're gonna put the AC air handler right above here. It's not on the ground or on the side. You're gonna have your water heater right over there, your electrical panel, access to the attic, your garage door opener. And what I really like is when a garage has a side entrance. So if you're working, if you're sweaty, you know, you could go straight to your garage, if you know, and so you don't have to go through the house and all that. So we're gonna actually step out through here, and we're gonna go take a look at the backyard. So follow me. So here, my friends, we find ourselves in the backyard, and to tell you the truth, a piece of land, I think, is everybody's dream at the end of the day. And you know, I know there's people who like the city life, and me personally, I love the city life. But also, at my core, I know I'm gonna end up on a big piece of land where I can do what I want, when I want, with the people I wanna do it with. Now, here's gonna be your back patio space. So if you're someone who likes to grill, to cook, spend outdoor access from full bathroom, the master, and the living room area, just to point that out. And then this is also gonna be your land. So There's gonna be a chain link fence right over here. We're gonna have a chain link fence right back here. And this is gonna be all your land. So I could walk all the way back there, but really you're gonna have plenty of space where maybe you can create a little open area, you know, create a fire pit. So, you know, you feel like you're in the woods, having time with your family, and that is it. So let's go ahead, get back inside, talk about the finances, and get it going. Come on. So here we are at the very end, my friends, and let's jump straight into the finances, no wasting any time at all. So first and foremost, the purchase price of this property is $475,000. That is the current list price on the market for this home, $475,000 at this current moment in time. 1 acre, 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,000 square feet. Second thing, HOA is gonna be $100 annually. So this is per year, $100, maybe like $8 per month, $8.10 per month, something like that. It's very hands-off HOA. You can do as you wish with the property. You wanna put a barn in the back. If you do wanna pour concrete, no matter where you are, even if you have HOA or no HOA, you have to get permits from the city. But with that being said, it's very hands-off. They understand people are here with land and wanna do what they want with the land. So it's a very hands-off HOA. So it's almost like you have none. Just monitors a few things of the community, making sure it's safe. Last but not least, the taxes are gonna be about 1.1 to 1.2% of the property value. So if it sells at $475, and let's just go on the high end, it's gonna be about $5,700 yearly taxes for this property. Now, my friends, if anybody is out there interested or maybe looking to you know, purchase a property and just trying to figure out how much a down payment is, on this specific home, you know, you have a few different options. One is a conventional first-time homebuyer program or primary residence, and you could do a minimum of 5% down. There are some programs that you can do 3% down, but those are pretty rare. A very small few people qualify for them. It is possible, but let's just go with the main general thing and, you know, go with the 5%. So let's just say $475 at 5%, that's gonna be $23,750. Now, if you're looking at this as an investment property, that's gonna be around 15 to 20%. If I were you, if anyone looking to invest, I would recommend doing 20%, just so you don't have to pay private mortgage insurance, otherwise known as PMI. So 20% of 475 is gonna be $95,000. Now, if anyone's interested in the rental comps, anything like that, you know, wanting to get more specific on the property, just give a call to my team and I. We're more than happy to help anybody and really make sure you guys get the best deal with the best price with the best protection. Now, with that being said, I do want to mention there are other costs that go along with other than down payment. And that's going to be closing costs. Closing costs, if you're financing a home, is going to be around 3 to 4%. I always estimate around 3% just because that's where I've been seeing it with the lender that I use at the moment. That's going to include appraisal fees, inspections, transfer docs, title fees, lender fees, all that good stuff, even surveys on the property that's required by lenders to have. So that's what closing costs are going to entail. 3%, by the way, is going to be around $14,250. Now, as a realtor, our job isn't just to find you the perfect house. Our job is to negotiate the best deal possible for you. So right now, based off this property and the comps that I'm seeing, this house, in my opinion, is worth more so around $440 to $450. So with that being said, and builders do tend to overprice properties at the start, just because even before they even get finished with the house, they try to list it higher just to see if someone bites, but they drop it more and more as time goes on. Now, with that being said, this house, if you're someone paying cash, I'd offer $440 off the bat, say, hey, that's the best I can do. And then let's see what they say. If they're like, hey, can you go $455, $460? We're like, nope, we can't do anything about that. We only got $440. That's what we feel it's worth. That's what the comps are. That's where we're at. You know, we go back and forth a few times and maybe jump it up to $445, $450. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna make sure I'm very aggressive to get you guys the best deal. If you're financing, I wanna make sure you get your closing costs paid. Yes, it's important to drop the price of the home, but if you get your closing costs paid, one, that's less cash out of your pocket, roughly around $14,000 you save cash down to buy the home. And two, you can use some of that money to buy down your interest rate, which is gonna have more of an impact to lower your monthly payment than actually lowering the price of the home. So those are a few things to consider. But you know, that is all the information I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to look at some of my past videos where I go a little more in detail about some properties, and I really show off a few different types of homes and areas. So if you guys like what you saw today, make sure to look at some of my past content and let me know what you think. So with that being said, here's my phone number. This is my team and I are always ready to help you guys out. Make sure you guys get the best deal and making sure we get really aggressive to find you a good property. So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.